This has been one of Jason's lifelong dream goals to go to the airplane graveyard ever since it was in that movie in like 1984.
Can't Buy Me Love?
Can't Buy Me Love. Yeah. Since then, Jason just wanted to go to the airplane graveyard. And now we're going. 2 hours of driving. Freeway headed towards the Tucson Air Force Museum, and we got sidetracked by this other airplane, Boneyard. I don't know what we're doing now. We're going to look at this other airplane, Boneyard, because there's a lot of airplanes here too. Alright, we're at the airplane museum now. We're going to look at jets and airplanes. We walked around the inside for a while. Now we're going to go look for more jets. I told Leah we'd be back around 2. That means we'd have to leave right now to go back to Phoenix. Instead, we're getting on a 90-minute bus tour. You can't come all this way and not tack on an extra 90-minute bus tour. Alright, so they won't let us take any sort of backpacks on the bus. So we got an extra battery, got this camera, and a whole backup GoPro, and the camera here, this GoPro. We should be set. Alright, we're on the bus for the other tour. The airplane Boneyard. I did the bus ride through the Davis-Monthan Air Force Base.
Yeah.
It was actually pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it was well worth it.
Yeah.
Cheap, excellent, lots of knowledge, history.
You can't run around the planes like an idiot, but
no,
it was still worth seeing.
Definitely worth doing.
Yeah. We're gonna go try and find a Mexican restaurant where we can eat lunch. Mexican?
Yeah, of course.
We're lost in a residential. Only Bob will truly appreciate just how lost in a residential we are right now. Alright, would you say to the tacos, Apson? 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 Yeah. Way to the taco place, it was pretty good. Definitely better than the one in Moab.
Definitely.
Seems like there's something about the closer you get to the border, the better the tacos are. Is that true, or is it just in your head?
I guess it's pretty true. That was really good.
Seems to be pretty true. At any rate, now we're heading back to Phoenix.
Maybe.